first, before we start, I want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to the sponsor of this video. With the help of sponsorships like these, it'll help the channel grow, it'll help me post more videos more frequently, could even do daily videos. Not to mention the parts that I can actually get from these sponsors to help me complete these builds as well and get photo shoots, all sorts. So again, a massive thanks to today's sponsor, a thanks to Era of Celestials for supporting me as a creator via spons.org. So, Era of Celestials, if you've got an iPad or an iPhone or an Android phone or anything like that, download it for free, and the link below here, you'll be supporting me for sure and the channel. The more people that download this and actually play the game, then the more you'll be supporting me. So if you want to support the channel in any way, please visit the link here and play the game. It is seriously addictive and it's really good as well. Era of Celestials is a new player versus player game that's available on Android and Apple devices. In fact, if you come here, I mean, to sum it up in one thing, it's got a fantastic storyline. I've been playing this now for a while. You can immerse yourself into it. It's just vast. It's got an amazing storyline. You transform into these different invincible celestials and go around destroying demon hordes. And you go and hunt the bosses and equip yourself, so you continue to evolve and you're building your character. There's tons of items that you can find. You can also engage yourself in player versus player battles and the whole social aspect of it. Play with your friends or in a larger community. You might even see me around there. Not to mention, it's the ultimate game experience on mobile. If I ever get bored or anything, I pick this up and I can easily lose myself into it. It's got smooth controls and it's got realistic sounds. If you play it with your headphones, it is amazing. Don't go to the store, click on the link here. If you guys download and play Era Celestials, you'll be continuing to support this channel. Little racer here. I don't think so. And we're back in the Ducati again. So I've got a few errands to run today. A few little bits that I need for the CX500. The usual stuff. I think I've got fork oil on my list. Gear oil. What else have I got? Oh, I need to pick up some antifreeze. But it's all stuff that I need in preparation for this MOT, this dreaded MOT that I've got coming up. And do you know what? I'm actually dreading it. Why? I don't know. I've no idea why. I shouldn't be. You know, I've got pre-MOT jitters, serious pre-MOT jitters. I've had nightmares about the bike failing, but without reason. There shouldn't be any reason the bike should fail. We've set everything up right. You know, the frame's safe, and we don't have the emissions to worry about. I mean, the emissions will be fine on the bike. It's not going to be running rich or lean or anything. It's going to be fine. So why am I panicking? I don't know. I mean, I do this every time anyway, even if I take my car, which is a pretty good looked after car. Even when I take that for an MOT, I end up thinking, oh gosh, it's going to fail. I get it anyway. A lot of people might say that the UK MOT is probably a waste of time and money. It'd be brilliant if we didn't have it, but at the same time, you've got to agree with them. Bikes have to be safe. But the majority of bike owners are going to be looking after the bikes anyway. You're not going to get anyone who's going to seriously abuse their bike, and maybe you do. Maybe you get complete noobs. Oh, I'm steaming up again. Oh, that's a lot better. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Picking up MOT stuff. It's an excuse to go out on the bike. Oh, seriously. Diversions today. Oh god, well that's going to put another 3 minutes on my journey. Chester Racecourse, thank you Chester Racecourse, thank you very much. And I'm late, I'm supposed to go for food, I'm supposed to be out where I am for food at midday. It's now 10 past. Oh, are you flipping serious? Oh my god. Oh, the racecourse concert. Oh, Tom Jones. Tom Jones, you've ruined my life. You ruined my day, Tom Jones. It is Tom. I'm sure Tom Jones is at the racecourse today. Tom Jones. Oh, seriously. If it is Tom Jones. Oh, I want a bit of my day back, please, Tom. Okay, well that kind of makes things a bit easier. I'm not going to be late because I can't go to where I need to go. I can't go to the shop. Oh, seriously? Tom. How do you get down there then? Actually, can I get down there? Let's see. Let's see if I can do it as a mission. It's down there. No, I can't go down there. Diverted traffic. No traffic allowed there. Seriously. I am not happy about that. Well, okay, that's my day gone up the poo pipe. I'm blind. I'm riding with my visor up and I've got a load of... Oh, I've got the Saharan desert in my eyes. I can actually go down here. Oh, do you know what? I wish I was there actually, rather than picking up MOT bits, I wish I was sat there. Oh, you're seriously joking me. Really? Now open on Sunday, you better be. Oh my god, I thought it was 5 o'clock. Oh man. Am I never going to get these parts? And here we go, it's a bit like Groundhog Day, isn't it? The next day, not as nice as it was yesterday. Oh my god, it feels... Oh my god, it does feel like Groundhog Day. So on the left here we've got Chester Racecourse, built by one of Henry VIII's wives in 1743, all on her own. She's a brute of a woman. Is it open? Is it open? Yes, oh wow. Happy days, it is open. Oh, happy days! It is open. Eureka, open on Sunday, thank you. So that is me happy now. I've got all my stuff. In fact, I've got more than what I wanted actually. I've got a couple of inline fuel filters as well. What I've been experiencing with the CX is that I'm still getting rubbish into the carbs from the fuel tank. So the fuel tank's got a little bit of nastiness at the bottom of it. I haven't sealed that, I haven't cleaned and flushed it out and sealed it. I'm trying to save myself a few pounds on not getting another poor 15 kit for it. You know what, I'm going to visit one of my favourite spots. I'm just going to look at what I bought. I'll take you through it. I just want to look at what I bought actually, just so you can see what I'm actually carrying on my back. I'm actually going to ride my bike on here. Are you allowed to? I don't know. There we go. My bike can have a front view of this now. Knocking on heaven's door, not quite yet. We're not going to do that quite yet. What time is it? Oh, I've got 20 minutes left before I need to be somewhere. Let's have a look at what we've got. Oh no, it's open. So we've got a K&N recharger kit, air filter cleaning kit. It's mostly the oil I need from this. So I need the filter oil. That is for the CX500 and the CB750 when I'll be using it. I don't know if there's going to be enough there for two, but anyway, filter oil. Need that. I've got two inline filters. Oh no, that's going everywhere. Shit, if anyone's looking at me now, they're probably wondering what the heck I'm doing talking to myself. So I've got two inline filters, K&N oil filter for the Ducati Monster. I've got a big box of oil. Oh no, that needs to come out there. Everything's fallen. I've got one of these chains. I've got a chain now for the actual Ducati. Put that on the front wheel so no one will steal it. Because believe you me, people steal. People do steal. And I've got my gear oil as well. That is for the CX500, that is for the gears at the back. Let's put all that in here now. Oh, I wish I was opening something a bit more interesting, but that is pretty much what I've got. Right. In the famous words of Billy Ocean, let's get out of here, Julie. Guys, is where I'm going to love you and leave you for today. So subscribe to this channel if you want to stay up to date with it. Follow me on Instagram. Link is down below. Don't forget, if you want to show your love for the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, then please sponsor me for my ride in Manchester. And also, if you want to show your love for the channel, then visit fortheboldindustries.com on the link below and see if there's any merchandise that you like here. So until, I don't know what day the next video is going out, to be honest. The sun is coming out and I really don't care at the moment. I'm just going to go and enjoy this ride back home. Ride safe, people.